Okay, as you read this question, there are some keywords. So let me highlight the keywords first. Oh, teacher, the expression is given. There is A and B which are constant. Oh, what is important? There is a factor. Alright? On the other hand, there is a remainder when it's divided by -1. I want to make use of these two information. So it's not defined, let us define first. So I let fx be equal to the polynomial function first. Notice the one in green. The factor is x plus 5. I'm going to write out factor equal to x plus 5. What does this mean? Oh, teacher, I can substitute f equal to 5 inside the polynomial and the remainder will be equal to 0 because this is a factor. So this is what factor theorem is about. Now my job is very simple. Replace all the x by 5. Sorry, not 5, but substitute -5. Alright, so let's do that now. Look at the blue portion. The remainder is 6 when divided by -1. This is not called a factor. This is called a divisor. And I'm going to write on the right hand side to give myself a bit more space as well. So take note, make use of the remainder theorem. Put in x is equal to 1 into the polynomial. This will be equal to 6. Now, replace all your x by 1 and simplify it. So obviously, there's a A, there's a B. Our job is to evaluate and make sure we can solve the simultaneous equation. But we need to simplify into a form that is easy for us. Substitution method is slightly easier than elimination method. Alright? So I'm going to make B the subject on the left hand side. So likewise, on the right hand side, I can make B the subject. Since both are in terms of B, I just have to equate them together. Again, we need to find the value for B. There's a comparison of the green portion and the blue portion. Since it's easier to use the blue portion, straight away show me. No need to write the step. -11 plus 1, I'll get a -10. So because the question has stated, notice the one in highlighted in green, the factor is already equal to x plus 5. So you can straight away use the factor to do the long division for the second part. So notice after I do my long division, the quadratic expression that I obtain, I will use the calculator to press. Oh, the second part, the quadratic one, have a lot of decimal. So you know you have to use a quadratic formula. So see how I do my presentation. So for A math, since the formula is given, I don't really have to show the number underneath the square root. Unless it's some other question which you encounter in future for exact value. So I'm just going to press the calculator. So in the event, you don't need to put in exact value, press the calculator. But now I'm going to show you in the event, it has to be exact value because of the question. I'm going to show you right now. Is this the simplest form already? Okay, then just leave it like that. Subsequently, this may not be the simplest form when we learn another chapter called surds. Can? Okay, I'll stop.